How you doing? Welcome to Color and Chat with Joanna. I'm Joanna. I got a long unboxing for you guys. It's not going to take all day, but it might take a minute to get out of the box. I already cut the plastic, and when I got ready to edit my sound, it was like the devil or something in there. I was like, oh my God, I sound like I'm demonically possessed. So I ran to the priest as quickly as I could and said, get the regular Happy Me back, please. So, Oraloa, or as my long-suffering husband likes to call it, the Oreo people, because he can't say Oraloa, sent us something so beautiful. You guys are going to love it. First of all, this box was padded with paper in an outer box. I mean, kudos for good shipping, heavy plastic sleeve, and we need a long sleeve because she is a long-legged lady. This is, are you ready? Here's her sheet because I was just going to put it in my book. Oraloa. And it is by Elena Dudina. That is such an exotic name. And it's called Red Hummingbirds. And she is clearly a redhead. Absolutely beautiful. I love doing portraits. So my standards when it comes to portraits is very, very high. They gotta fly or not fly, you know? I mean, really, there's no room for error when you're trying to express someone's face. And we've all made those facial expressions, haven't we? Like, oh, look, you're wearing that again? I didn't know they came back in style. Oh my God, I used to have a pair just like that, like 20 years ago, and then you want to punch her in the parking lot, but you're afraid that there's cameras and somebody will see, so you don't do it. Okay, let's do the stats. We have 50 colors. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs, 2 shades of red. We've got like a yellow gold, a white, a black, and then I think maybe like a white, maybe like an ivory white, I don't know. But they're all right here. They put all of them in the end. If you think I'm gonna mess up this beautiful pack job, it ain't happening, girl. But I'm dying to show you the image. Now, here she is. Oh, our hummingbird girl. Look, now she actually has, I'm going to show you way up close, okay? She actually has a white lace dress on. You won't see that until you do your work. It's very faint, but oh, it is so sexy. I mean, this girl is a killer, diller. Now, also something that they do a lot of with portraits, it's called a reversal negative. So you're gonna see lines that may look a little weird. Just trust them and follow the color code, and all of this is gonna come to life. She is stunning. She is 85 by 71 centimeters or 33 by 27 inches. Yeah, she's like definitely a commitment. But I mean, the hair, the hummingbird here, the hummingbird here, the beautiful orchid. I cannot give enough applause to Oraloa for their beautiful, look at, I mean, come on, the drill field, really? It almost looks like training circles down here, but they're so tiny and they're so faint, I don't think they're going to be an issue. I think there's just going to be like a ton of AB going on here. And then the soft, soft colors, beautiful eyes. Her lashes are definitely gonna just fly. I cannot wait. I hope that you guys love her as much as I do. I mean, I am so dying to go red. She's got this little green streak feathery thing in her hair. Do you see it? Like a little, like she just went to the salon and got a little feathery thing. It's so cute. Should I go red? What do you think? I'm just curious. I mean, you know, is a redhead for everybody? My sister-in-law went red once and she picked the wrong red. It was tragic. That's all I'm going to say. It was tragic. I mean, when you have the wrong skin tone and you get the wrong red, you're in big trouble. So, don't do a box job on your hair if you want to get here, okay? Go to the professionals and let them do it for you. Look at, even my hands got sunburned being out of the pool yesterday. Oh my goodness. But you can tell because I had the long sleeve tank swimsuit top on. Yeah, that I'm not at the burn unit right now. I know. Because if I were out there, as long as I was out, I swam so much yesterday. I mean, oh God. If only the Olympics weren't such a tumultuous, horrible political disaster, I would go, I'm telling you. I'd probably have to be in the Special Olympics because I'm a special girl. I got special issues, you know. Anyway, so, and I don't mean that in a derogatory, it's a joke. Don't get weird about it, okay? You guys, especially you. I see you, Mertzi. You better shut up. Anyway, I love you guys. Remember, you're important to me, so be important to you. And shine on, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.